If you want to install the iOS launcher on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, then the first thing that we need to do is download the iOS launcher. So we're going to go to the Play Store and we're going to search. Of course, there are multiple different launchers that we can use. Let's enter iOS launcher in the search field. And let's try to use something. So as an example, I'm going to use this one over here. But if you don't like it, then feel free to try anything else. I'm going to see if this one works. So let's open it. Let's consent. Of course, we will see some ads in the meantime, and also premium offers, but we can close them. We don't really have to agree to anything, so let's close the ad. First, we need to choose the preferred language, so I'm gonna choose English. Let's press continue. And then over here, let's keep pressing next. Let's get started. We can change the wallpaper, so I'm gonna choose, for example, let's stay with this one. We can also skip this process, but I'm gonna switch the wallpaper anyway. Let's press continue. We have the premium offer, but of course we can press continue with the free version. Yet another ad. Let's close it. Now let's wait a couple of seconds and we should be able to, there we go, we can tap on screen. So let's do this. Of course we can set the launcher as the default one. As you can see, we have the app library. It looks pretty cool. So that's pretty much it. This is how we can get the iOS launcher on Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!